Today, we're focusing on energizing your spine and shoulders with a quick but powerful stretch routine. If you've been waking up with stiffness in your back, shoulders, or chest, or you're just looking for a gentle way to boost your energy, this routine is exactly what you need. No equipment required, just you, your mat, and a few minutes of your time. These movements are designed to release tension, improve mobility, and leave you feeling taller, lighter, and more aligned. We'll start with dynamic movements to wake up your back, move into deep shoulder stretches, and end with a chest opener to help you breathe more freely. Showing up here is already a win. Most people wouldn't take these 5 minutes for themselves, but you did it. By the end of this routine, I promise you feel relaxed, energized, and ready to take on the day. Enough talking, let's hit the mat. Let's start with a dynamic combo. Downward dog into cobra stretch. This flow is all about lengthening your spine, opening your chest, and getting your body moving. Begin in a downward dog position, hands shoulder width apart, hips lifted toward the sky, and heels reaching toward the floor. Exhale as you shift forward into cobra stretch, lowering your hips, lifting your chest, and keeping your arms straight or slightly bent. Inhale as you press back into downward dog, focusing on lengthening your spine. Flow between these two poses for 1 minute, moving with your breath. This dynamic movement stretches your spine, strengthens your arms, and opens your chest. By the end, I promise you feel loose, warm, and awake. Beginners, bend your knees in downward dog for more support. Advanced stretchers, hold each position for a few extra seconds to deepen the stretch. Now that we've warmed up your spine and chest, let's dive into a stretch for your shoulders and upper back. If you're feeling tension in your shoulders or upper back, puppy stretch will feel like pure relief. It's like giving your spine a big hug. Sit on all fours with your knees under your hips and your hands stretched forward. Lower your chest toward the ground, keeping your hips lifted and your forehead resting on the mat. Hold here for 1 minute, breathing deeply and feeling the stretch in your shoulders and upper back. This stretch deeply opens your shoulders and lengthens your spine. I promise you'll feel more open and relaxed by the end. Beginners, place a pillow under your chest for extra support. Advanced stretches, bring your chin to the mat for a deeper stretch in your neck. Now that your shoulders are open, let's isolate them further with the tricep stretch. Let's loosen your shoulders and triceps with a cross-body tricep stretch. This is a simple but highly effective way to release upper body tension. Stand or sit tall and bring your right arm across your chest. Use your left hand to gently press your right arm closer to your chest. Hold for 30 seconds, keeping your shoulders relaxed. Switch to the left side for another 30 seconds. This stretch targets your shoulders and triceps, relieving tension and improving mobility. By the end, you'll feel looser and more flexible. Beginners, keep the pressure light to avoid discomfort. Advanced stretchers, hold the stretch for a few extra seconds and deepen the press. Now that we've loosened the shoulders, let's deepen the stretch with an overhead variation. Trying to take that stretch a little deeper with an overhead tricep stretch. This move opens up your arms and shoulders while also stretching your back. Raise your right arm overhead and bend your elbow, bringing your right hand towards the center of your back. Use your left hand to gently press your right elbow back, feeling the stretch in your triceps and shoulder. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch the left side for another 30 seconds. This stretch deepens mobility in your arms and shoulders while releasing tightness in your upper body. By the end, you'll feel free and flexible. Beginners, skip the pressing hand and just hold the overhead position. Advanced stretchers, lean slightly to the opposite side for an added side stretch. Let's finish with a powerful chest opener to leave you feeling expansive and energized. We're wrapping up with a chest opener, a pose that releases tension, improves posture, and helps you breathe more deeply. Stand tall or kneel on your mat. Clasp your hands behind your back and straighten your arms. Inhale as you lift your chest and gently pull your hands away from your lower back. Hold for 1 minute, breathing deeply and feeling the stretch across your chest and shoulders. This stretch counteracts hunching, improves posture, and leaves you feeling open and ready for the day. Beginners, hold strap or towel between your hands if clasping isn't comfortable. Advanced stretches add a slight back bend to deepen the stretch. Fam, if you sit at a desk all day and need a boost of energy, want to get rid of stiffness, or even take control of your health, go check out the free gift I have in the description. You won't want to miss out.